What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we worked with users current location and we were left with some problems. We will take care of them one by one in our upcoming videos. Now here is a case that if we uncomment this line of code, then I'm going to my device and I'm turning off my location. Then my location button will not show up or the app will crash if I click on the current location button because it is not getting any location in its latitude and longitude variable which I have declared in my last video. So in this video we are going to add GPS permission if it is not enabled. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will create an if statement to check if the GPS is enabled or not. And if the GPS is enabled and the permissions are also granted, only then the map will be initialized. Now I will create a method of boolean return type to check the status of GPS. And in this method, I will use location manager to check if my GPS is enabled or not. If the GPS is enabled, we will simply return true here. And if the GPS is not enabled, then an alert box will pop up and it will redirect our app to the settings app through which we can enable GPS manually. So I will create a simple alert dialog here. So as in intent, I have used start activity for result. So that's why I will override on activity result method here, which will use the same concept as above. And here we will simply toast two messages. If the GPS will be enabled, then it will toast that GPS is enabled, otherwise it will tell us that GPS is not available. So this is it. Let me go to my device and I will go to settings to make sure that my GPS is disabled. Now I will run my app. So as you can see, our app has launched and our GPS is not enabled yet. So an alert dialog has shown up. If I click OK, then it will redirect me to the settings app where I can turn on my GPS manually. Okay, now close this, and if I open my app again, then this button will be loaded. So this was it for today. If you like this video, then leave a like below, and if you want to ask me anything, write it down into the comment section. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video.